Hi friends, so today we are going to do only the stitches. I'm going to teach you all only the stitches, no project, nothing, just the stitches. Okay, so for this I'm using a wool yarn and 3.5 hook. Okay, so let's start. First we'll start with obviously a chain. So let's start with a chain. First we have to do the knot. You get this knot over here, this thread, and then from inside you pull this out. Okay, this is our first knot. Then we do the chain. Chain is pull over, pull in. Simple one. Pull over, pull in. Pull over, pull in, pull over, pull in. So this is simple. The chain, again pull over, pull in. Okay, here we have the chain. So first we'll start with a single crochet. So how to do the single crochet? Do one chain. This is the extra chain. Go over here, insert, pull over, pull in, pull over, pull in. So this is a single crochet. Again, insert, pull over, pull in, pull over, pull in twice. This is a single crochet. Again, insert, pull over, pull in, pull over, pull in twice. Again, insert, pull over, pull in, pull over, pull in twice. This is a single crochet. Now let's go to half double crochet. We do, instead of insert first, we do a pull over first, then we do insert, pull over, and pull over thrice, pull in thrice, pull over, insert in the next chain, pull over, pull in, pull over, pull in thrice. Again, pull over, insert in the next chain, pull over, pull in, pull over once, twice, thrice. This is a half double crochet. This is a single crochet, half double crochet. Now let's go to double crochet. Okay, same like half double crochet in the first stages, that is pull over, insert, pull over, pull in, just as half double crochet. Now it changes. Now you have to pull over. Instead of pulling thrice, you have to pull only twice. 1, 2 here. Okay, then again pull over and then pull in twice. This is our double crochet. See, this is a single chain, single crochet, half double crochet. This is a double crochet. It increases in the height. So the increase. Okay, again half double crochet, pull over, insert, pull over, pull in, pull over, pull in twice, 1, 2, again pull over, pull in twice, 1, 2. This is a double crochet. Again pull over, insert, pull over, pull in, pull over, pull in twice, pull over, pull in twice. Okay, see, now we'll go for half triple crochet. Okay, now we have to pull over twice. Wind it like this 2 times. Okay, we were doing pull over, right? We have to do again one more time. Insert, pull over, pull in, pull over, pull in twice, and then pull over, pull in thrice. This is a half triple crochet. Again pull over twice. Okay, insert, pull over, pull in, pull over, pull in twice first, and then pull over over, pull in thrice, 3 times. This is a half triple crochet. See the height? See how the height is going? It's increasing. This is how we do the triple crochet. Again, no, okay, this is our half triple crochet. Let's do the triple crochet. We have to do twice, pull over, insert, pull over, pull in. Now everything pull in twice, okay? Pull over, pull in twice, pull over, pull in twice, pull over, pull in twice. Okay, see the increase in the height? This is a half triple crochet, this is a triple crochet. Again, pull over twice, insert, pull over, pull in, pull over, pull in twice, pull over, pull in twice, pull over, pull in twice. Here are the stitches that we have in crochet. After this you can go for 4 times or 5 times or 6 times. We have come here thrice, only 3 times. Then you can still go further for 4 times. Now for 3 we are doing it twice, pull over. You can do it thrice, pull over, and then you'll go for 4 times. Okay, crochet that one. More height. It will give you more height. Okay, so this is how it is. See the height, how it goes gradually up. I hope you all learned something. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Tata.